In question number 3, they have given to conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD. Lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. So we have a rectangular shaped school. We are going to conduct sports activities. They have kept flower pots 1 meter distance at 1 meter distance along AD. Then there is a girl, Niharika. She runs 1/4 of the distance AD on the second line. Now they have drawn 10 lines here. On the second line, she is going to run 1/4 of the distance. 1/4 of, since there are 100 pots, each 1 meter, then the total distance is going to be 100 meter. So 1/4 of that is going to be 20. 1/4 of 100 is going to be 25 meters. So on the second line, she is running 1/4. So that point is going to be, let us name that point to be some P, or we will name it as N. This point M is going to be on the second line. She has run 1/4 of the distance, so it is going to be 2,25. Then Preet, there is another person, Preet, another student. Preet runs 1/5 of the distance on the 8th line. On the 8th line, 1/5 of the distance. 1/5 of the distance is 20 meter. 1/5 of 100 is 20. So let us name that point as N. So on the 8th line, the student has run 20 meters. So it is 8,20. Now we have plotted both the points on the ground. The question is, they are asking us to find what is the distance between both the flags. Now there is a flag here and there is another flag here. They are asking us to find what is the distance between these flags. Then the second question is, if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining these two flags, where should she post her flag? Another girl is going to post one blue color flag exactly midway of these two. So where it has to be posted? That is the second thing we have to find out. See, we will do one by one. The first thing they are asking us to find is to find the distance between these 2 points. You know that the distance is given by the formula root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So we are going to have, you know, this is your x1 comma y1 and this is your x2 comma y2. x2 comma x1, that is 8 minus 2 the whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 20 minus 25 the whole square. That is going to be square root of 6 squared plus minus 5 squared, which is nothing but it is going to be root of 36 plus 25. 36 plus 25 is 36 plus 20 is 56. 56 plus 5 is root of 61 units. So the distance between the flags, first student has posted a flag in M and the second student has posted a flag in N. The distance between the flags is 61 units. Now we have to find the point in between, which is exactly in the center of M and N. For another student, the name of the student is given there, Rashmi. Rashmi is going to post a blue color flag there exactly midway. So we are going to find at what point. Now midway means then they are divided equally in the ratio 1:1. There are two parts One part is in this side, one part is in this side. So exactly the ratio becomes 1:1. In that case, what happens to the formula is, it will become midpoint formula. In the section formula, your section formula, if you substitute m1 and m2 be 1:1, then you can find the midpoint. Now the midpoint formula is given by x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Now we are going to substitute our values there. When we substitute the values, you know that your x1 is going to be, this is your x1 comma y1, this is your x2 comma y2. So we are going to have 2 plus 8 divided by 2 comma 25 plus 20 divided by 2. So that is going to be 10 by 2 comma, this is 45 by 2, which is nothing but 5 comma 22.5. So let us write the answer. That girl, the name of the girl is Rashmi. Rashmi has to post the flag on the 5th line at a distance of 22.5 meters. That is exactly in between the 22nd and 23rd pot, because the 22nd pot will mean 22 meters, 23rd pot will be 23 meters, it is 22.5 meters. Exactly in between she has to put the flag. Now we have used a formula there. That formula alone I will explain to you how you got the midpoint formula. I did not want to explain in between because it will disturb the flow of the problem. Now you have understood both the answers. The distance between the flags is root 61 units, and the point, the coordinates of the point at which she has to put the blue flag, this point in between M and M. We have found that coordinates. It is exactly on the 5th line at a distance of 22.5 meters from here. So that is going to be in between the 22nd pot and the 23rd pot. So we have found both the answers. Now I will just explain to you how we got that midpoint formula from the section formula. Now your section formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is your section formula. In this, when you substitute 1 comma 1, what happens is, your m1 is 1, so 1 into x2 is x2, plus m2 is 1, so 1 into x1 is x1 by 1 plus 1, that is 2, comma m1 is 1, so 1 into y2 is y2, plus m2 is 1, 1 into y1 is y1 by 1 plus 1, that is 2. Since it is the midpoint, the ratio is going to be 1:1 in the case of midpoint. So when you substitute 1:1 for m1 and m2, this is what you get. That is what we have written there. It is going to be x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is your midpoint formula. You can also call it as midpoint formula. So when the section is going to happen exactly at the midpoint, instead of the section formula, you can replace it with the midpoint formula.